Welcome back, and now looking to business news. Executives at the Abu Dhabi Airports Company have revealed that 50 airlines will be operational from Abu Dhabi Airport by the end of the year. According to a local paper, ADAC CEO James Bennett revealed that 6 new airlines will be operating from the capital this year. Bennett was speaking at the launch of the Routes Abu Dhabi 2012 conference that will provide a platform to map out plans for growth in the commercial aviation industry. The forum also hopes to gain ties with other airlines and airports to develop new partnerships with Abu Dhabi, as well as allow the capital to showcase its airports and services. Bennett added that the key project ADAC is keen on showcasing is the construction of the midfield terminal complex that, when operational in 2017, will change the travel experience of all passengers travelling to, from or through Abu Dhabi International Airport. And let's now take a look at the stock indices across the GCC. The US dollar made significant gains against the euro and the British pound in trading last week, gaining at 0.90% and 0.40% respectively. Meanwhile, a report released on Friday showed that the Spanish banking sector would need close to 60 billion euros to remain solvent, with about a third of that coming via European aid. So to get a view on the markets for the week ahead, we earlier spoke with Gaurav Kashyap, the head of the DGCX desk at Alpari Middle East.
Risk sentiments were rocked in trading last week as the US dollar made some significant gains against the British pound and the euro and was largely unchanged against gold as Spain's solvency issues re-emerged and really rocked risk sentiment in trading last week. Looking at the trading week ahead, we expect to see even more fireworks, with several central banks announcing their rates, as well as the key US non-farm payroll number expected out on Friday. Now, if we start off with Tuesday sees the announcement from the Reserve Bank of Australia. They're largely expected to keep rates unchanged at 3.5%. Moving over to Thursday, the Bank of England and the European Central Bank will be announcing their rates. The Bank of England is expected to keep their rates unchanged at 0.5%, with their asset purchase target at £375 billion. With the European Central Bank, there's a lot of rumors that they may be cutting their main refinancing rate from 0.75% to 0.5%. We, on the other hand, believe they will be holding rates at 0.75%, with Draghi expected to make a cut at some point in November during the next meeting. And over to Friday's US non-farm payroll number. Well, this is going to be a tricky play here because the figure is expected to come in at 111,000 new jobs during September. This well above the previous month's reading of 96,000. Well, if we see a number above 120, then this could be potentially good for the US dollar, as this would show that the US labor conditions are improving and it would force the Fed to reduce their easing measures. If, however, we see a reading below 100,000, this could see the US dollar weakening, as it could open the door for additional easing measures from the FOMC.